Action.
Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. In today's segment, we're gonna talk about why you should hire an interior designer.
Sorry. Okay. First of all, convenient. Not everyone.
Again, today we're gonna talk about the tips. No, they're not tips. The
Reasons.
The accessories are also grouped. The rugs also have a large. I keep saying also.
Do I have the laptop?
Are you gonna be like a booby? Are you gonna be showing like boobies? Because
Can you
you
see
know.
that cleavage?
No.
Okay.
Well, oh, okay. From here, I'm seeing a little booby thing. Yeah, I knew it was on Betty.
In
Thank
front
you,
of the
though.
camera, not behind the camera.
Oh, whatever. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh.
How's my hair?
Does she look?
How does my hair look?
Fine.
No, really.
Sleek and
Wait,
shiny.
there is one
Oh my
here,
God.
please.
Oh my god, you guys!
Okay. Rolling. Action.
Hi, I'm Sharika, and today we're going to talk about how to transform your space from traditional to transitional.
And I'm Sharon. I am her co-host.
Not my co-host. It's supposed to be hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm supposed to say I'm
Okay.
Sharika.
Okay. Let's start again. I'm good.
I'll take that sangria, please.
Tipsy before you get
Grazie mille. We are going to do a game called Love It or Hate It. And these will be, it's going to be a long day. Tone gray is really good to pop colors because the colors pop, whatever.
It allows the color to through.
It allows the color to through. It allows
The
the
color.
colors to pop their true color. It allows
It allows
the true colors to
color
pop.
to come the true colors to pop. There you go.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Your space can go from looking flat. So there's 3 paints that you need to know. So you guys probably remember this video. Here we, or just at.
That's Sharika. We're gonna talk about your standard bed. You all zen now?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. Oh, this is a really nice platinum color that you can use for. It's rolling. Don't do that to your mother.
We incorporated more whites, more silver, with subtle touches of red.
I'm sorry. When you said everything, what was I supposed to say?
You always find something to say.
She said everything. Go ahead. Let's start again. I'm like, you said everything. The white, the this, the that. I'm not going to.
Okay, let's go.